So the process to stop being added to groups on WhatsApp is quite easy and simple, and it is similar for Android as well as iOS devices. In the first process, simply open up your WhatsApp app. Here we go. And here you need to go to settings. In case of iPhone, simply go and tap on settings at the right bottom corner. In case of Android, you need to tap on three dots at the right top corner, and there on you will see an option of settings. Once you are in settings, you can see an option of account. So tap on account. In account, go and tap on privacy. Under the privacy, you can see groups. Go and tap on groups. And here you can see who can add me to groups. Currently, and in most of the cases, the option selected is everyone. So you have multiple options, like you can go to my contacts, or you can even go to my contacts except, and you can uh, take out few people who can't add you to group, and all other can add. So simply go and tap on done, and with exclusion to these people, all other people will be able to add you to groups. So by doing so, you will be able to stop being added to groups on WhatsApp. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.